Welcome back, Truck and Riders. Today we are going to see yet another interesting product from Truck and Ride. This is our mini tank bag. This is useful for all kind of bikes, whether it is a steel tank or a fiber tank like this. We have given provisions to attach any kind of bike. So let us see the main compartment, main features of this one. This got a small compartment like this, where you can keep documents or small chargers or power bank, those kind of things. And the main compartment is this one. So this is the main compartment of this bag. This is the rain cover, and these are the different straps which we need to attach the bag. Another feature is that this bag got a mobile pouch here. So this sleeve, it can be accessed from inside. You can keep your phone inside, and this is touch sensitive. It's very easy to attach your insert your phone here. Just through this sleeve you can put it inside. This can hold phones up to 6.5 inches. Screen size can easily attach here, and this is touch sensitive. You can operate the screen with this one. So this touch will work. You can access your map or phone book or messages, very easy to access. We have also given a small pouch, mesh pouch on the side. So if you want to organize things better inside, you can utilize these two small pouches to keep your small stuff secured, pen or any say torch light you can easily attach. And this is actual size of the bag. Okay, now let's see how to attach this on the motorcycle. So on bikes with metal tanks, it's very easy because these two flaps got a strong magnets. You can just attach like this. But other bikes, like for example a bike like this, which is coming with a fiber or plastic tank, you won't be able to use the magnetic option. So we have given a different provision for that. I'll show you how to do it. So we have given again a lot of straps here. This is a shoulder strap. So when you take the bag out of your bike, you can attach here and carry easily on the shoulder. That is not required for time being. Just keep it inside. So this will come under the steering column. So how to put this one? Basically, you have a small ladder kind of a strap here, a buckle here. So you just lock one side like this. You lock it and you take the cable under your steering column like this. So this will come to the opposite side, and you can lock it here like this. You can lock it here. So you can do the tightening part last, after putting the side this thing, so that you can adjust the position of the bag to the front side or to the back. Okay, now after putting the front strap, we are going to use the side strap. Side strap you can use different options. I am going to use it from this portion. Okay, you lock it here like this, and here again there is a ladder type buckle here. So you just lock it through this one, then you just tighten it. So this side is tightened. So these two sides, after putting the third one, you can tighten all the three. So from this side I am again going to take it, strap like this here. Yeah, now all the three straps are secured. So now in case you want to move it further to the front, what you have to do is you have to loosen these two straps and tighten the front one, so that bag will move to the front. Suppose if you want to bring it back, you loosen the front one and then tighten this one, so that bag will move backwards while riding. So what you can do is, still lot of space is here, you just open a bit here and tighten the front one, so the bag is gone up. So this extra length, depending on your bike, you can decide how much length you want to keep. You can cut the extra length and heat it, so that it will be comfortable for your bike. So this is the actual position, and this is very comfortable. So while riding, no issues, it's not disturbing you. Comfortably you can ride, and handling is also not an issue. Your handling is not affected because of the bag. If you are keeping your phone here, you can navigate while riding. If you want to refer the map, you can just check the map also like this. You want to fill petrol, one of the straps you can just open it, and so that no need to remove all the three, just one strap you open it, and so that you can access your petrol tank. After filling again, you just close that. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Let's catch up again next week with another interesting product.